Right guys, today I'm going to try and do a quick video picking this multi-lock integrator. It is 7-pin dimple lock. Should be pretty easy. I don't have a key for this, so I can't show you. Right, go in, pin 1's binding, click out of 1, nothing on 2, click out of 3, 4's binding, nice, click out of 4, 5, little 4 set out of 6, 7's binding, bit more of 4 set out of 7, counter rotation on pin 2, I think it is, just check, pin 2, yeah. Oh, and we've got an open, that's quite quick. Right, I don't have a key for this, so I don't want to lock it back up again. Let me just put the pins in there. I can't get my tension wrench out. There you go. Right, let's quickly on this. Ooh, don't move. Everyone loves a short video, so I am going to try and make this quick. Could have got a better screwdriver, couldn't I? Oh, that's why it's pushing the core down. Is it going to come off? It will. Take that out and move you. Camera down a bit. And there's a bit of a. There you go. Right, so sort these pins out first. Turn it a bit. Pins for this are now at the top. Don't like the hollow, but will it fit? No, it won't fit. Why am I trying to push it in? That fits better. Where are the pins on this? Over here. Ooh, bearing. Don't know where that came from. Oh, it must be key restriction. 7 tiny pins. I don't want to come out. Let's put the pick in. Every time I want to do a quick video, there's my tweezers. Here they are. Ooh, torpedo. Wasn't expecting that. Oops. Another torpedo. Come on. Just want to do a quick video. But you don't like me banging the plates quite loud on the get both of them. Can't get both of them. Oh, I can't get that up anymore. Ah, there you go. Key pins. Nothing special on the Bible, apart from where the integrated pin goes. I'll show you when I've took the pins out of here. Right, so I'll go front to back, so that's front. First pin's a spool. Second pin is another spool. Third pin is another spool. Another spool. Another spool. Another spool. It can't be. Oops, it is full house. 7 spools. Here's the pins. Some nice torpedo key pins. And this is the integrated pin. Let's have a look. Focus. It's got a pointy part, and this way it's got a flat part as well. I don't have a key, and this is my first one, so I can't actually tell you much about it. I think there's 3 different places the flat part can be: front, middle and back, or left, right, middle. I don't know. Anyway, I want to make this a quick video. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.